E from marketwizards.com, eminingwizard.com. About 20 after 11 on the 9th of December, 2019. Reminding traders use risk capital you can afford to lose. This is the third time through trade, one of my favorite trades. We've noticed this pattern. This is a wedge. We used the idea this morning of this 42 as being probably support. At the open, we never can take out the low. We cannot bust into this lowest zone. We're using this level, try to get up and close the half gap, 44 and a halves, close the gap, 46 and a half, and then we get the bust out. This is a third time through, one of my favorite trades. 1, 2, 3, and you can see the wedge that I've created here. It's a small intraday pattern, but we also have seen those on bigger patterns too. And the goal, once you see a third time through trade, normally it will knock out that prior high. It kind of ignores that. And that's something I believe it was Investors Business Daily is where I studied that type of a pattern, understood that once you get a breakout, it's going to ignore that high. And then so we knock out the highs, but we still don't take out Friday's 50, which was our demon. So still in the range that we had talked about right here. I would not go crazy short side. We could get a big move, but I doubt it. I'm thinking more range type trading. And we can use up the entire range of IB. Got about a 10-point trade. We know that this is our flipper. This is our middle. We know that's also true up here. Daily predictive 39 and change, 49 and change, and back into the middle. So we've got a range type trade. And I said, I think we'll get some consolidation today because we had a big pounding up. So morning after trend day for buying, but don't think of it as a killer trade. So far, that's proven to be true. Say what would confuse and surprise me today would be if we took out the lows and went flying down here, or took out the highs and went flying up there. I'd rather think of it as consolidating that push from Friday. 30-minute chart, important. $15-minute chart, important. Over and under, possibly. Pivot point was holding. So we're going to keep an eye on that today and going forward, obviously. Last week's range said let's keep an eye on, this is the resistance box and this is our support box. And obviously this 47 going to be the Mason-Dixon line right there. That was obviously our days open and Friday's close. Angels and demons. We've got 47 and a quarter set up as our demon. And realistically, I think it should be 48. Should be that bar right there. I'm not sure why it's not registering. That should be our demon right there, 48. And then 42, our angel. So anytime we can come back and get back into the breakout, and below that is the good fortune part, and above it is where the squeeze can continue. So all we know is the IB low is support till broken. Hope that gives you a summary of some of what has happened this morning. 60 back, RTH. And I'd suggested maybe a two-way day, and that's what we've got right now. Hope you got a little something out of the morning swing, push, sideways, backing and filling. And here's a picture of a wedge, but on a bigger time frame. 1, 2, 3, third time through. And we've never been able to come back and get under that. Still supportive. Hope you had a good morning.